Happy morning, children. I hope you are all fine. Sir, no. Have you all celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi? You are very happy, yes? So, with his blessing, with the blessing of Lord Ganesh, today we will start our session. Okay, shall we go? Okay, children. Today we are going to complete our chapter 11. Today we are going to complete our chapter 11 by seeing the continuation. Last class we have seen that umbra, penumbra, right? We will complete that, and there are one more topic remaining. With that we will have a recap in the last. So what is the chapter? It is chapter 11. Chapter 11. Today we are going to complete it. Okay. So for the your PA2 exams are fast approaching. So view the videos properly. Take hints. Daily have reading habit. Okay. So what is that lesson? Light, shadows and reflection. What is it? Light, shadows and reflection. So what are the content? Introduction, light, transparent, translucent and opaque. What is it? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Shadows, reflections. What exactly are shadows? We have completed all this, and we have seen pinhole camera. Yes, pinhole camera, and then mirrors and reflection. Today we are going to see the mirrors and reflection. Last we will be having a recap. First we will complete this, and in the last we will have a recap of the whole lesson. Shall we go? Yes. In the last class what we had seen, that is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. So what is a solar eclipse? If the moon comes in between earth and sun. What is it? If the moon comes in between earth and sun, it is called as solar eclipse. So the shadow of sun falls over here, and while we are watching it from the earth, we seems to be something is closing the sun. Yes? Okay. And then lunar eclipse. What is this? Lunar eclipse. When the earth comes in between the sun and moon. When the earth comes in between sun and moon, it is called as lunar eclipse. So the shadow of earth falls on the moon. So while we are watching it, it seems to be that something is closing the moon. So this occurs when the sun, earth and moon are exactly in the same line. Okay. So next we had seen what? Umbra. Yes, we have stopped over here in the last class. Umbra is the dark region behind object. It is the dark region behind object facing light, which does not receive light at all. So it is the dark region. It does not receive any light. Coming to the second one, penumbra. Penumbra is that region around the umbra. It is around the umbra. It gets a shadow in a partial. That is, it gets somewhat light. Look at here. So this is a light source. This is a light source. When this light falls on this object, so which is back of this object does not receive any light at all. So this dark region is called as umbra, and this umbra is surrounded by penumbra. So this region gets a partial light. This is penumbra and umbra. Look at here. This is a sun, earth. So when the light of sun falls here, what happens on the earth? So this dark region is umbra, and this is penumbra. So look at here, children. So what happened? The day and night are caused due to this. Okay. So this dark region is umbra, and this partial region are called as penumbra. And now we are going to see the look at here, children. These content are not there in a book. So take a hint. Okay. Umbra and penumbra. Now we are going to see the difference between umbra and penumbra. So umbra, it is the darkest part of a shadow. It is less dark. Here no light reaches this region. Light from some parts of the source reaches here. It is central part of shadow. It is outer part of a shadow. It is central part of shadow. It is outer part of shadow. Now we are going to enter in the next topic. It is natural pinhole camera. What is it? Natural pinhole camera. Already we had made a pinhole camera. Already we had made a pinhole camera. Now we are going to see about the natural pinhole camera. Okay. Look at here. When we walk into the dark forest or the place which is covered with trees, we are able to get small holes. So the light which passes through the holes. Yes, have you seen like this or not? So it is a green dark region. So the light rays which enters into this region is called as, so this is a natural pinhole camera. So the light reaches, see here, you are able to see here, right? This is a natural pinhole camera. And the next topic is mirrors and reflections. What is it? Mirrors and reflection. We are seeing at the mirror. So what is the thing which you are observing, that our reflection we are seeing on the mirror? Look at here. Yes or no? A child sees his reflection in a polished surface. So here one more child sees his reflection in the one more glass. So the reflections takes, while we are seeing the properties of light we have discussed, right? The reflection takes place only on the smooth shiny surface. Smooth shiny surface like mirrors. Mirrors changes the direction of light. Now we are going to discuss about this. Mirror changes the direction of light. Look at here, children. So you ask one of your family members to hold a torch. To hold a torch on the mirror. So one more member just hold a mirror, one hold a torch. So the torch light reaches the mirror. So you just adjust the shape of position of that mirror. Adjust the position of that mirror so the light reaches one more member which is standing nearby. Look at here. First he is not there. This Raju is not there. First Ramu shows the light. It reaches this mirror. So this Appu just changes the position of the mirror so that the light which is reaching this mirror would fall here. So now the direction of light is changed. Yes or no? Do you agree this point or not? So mirrors change the direction of light. What is it? Mirrors change the direction of light. Shall we go to the next one? Yes, look at here. Have you done this or not? We have done this in a small age. Yes, we used to take a mirror, stand out of our house and show its shadow inside our house. Just try it, okay? So, take a glass mirror. So, in the morning time you can do this, okay? So, the sunlight falls on that mirror first. So, with that, if you focus that inside your house, so that light you can see it on your house. If you want, you can try this, okay? Shall we go to the next one? Okay, next one is light traveling in straight line and getting reflected from a mirror. What is it? Light traveling in straight line and getting reflected from a mirror. Look at here, children. This is an activity. You can do it. Take a thermocol. Take a thermocol and place it. Okay. On the one end, place a comb like this. On the one end, place a comb like this and spread a black sheet or black cloth on the thermocol and then place a mirror on the other end. Place a mirror on the other end. Up to this you are clear? First you are taking a thermocol. On the one end you are going to keep a comb. And then you are going to spread a black sheet of cloth. On the other end you are going to place a mirror. Okay, up to this you are fine. So now we are going to put a torch light, or you can keep this in sunlight also. If not, you can have a torch light with you and focus it from in as it is shown in the figure. So if you are focusing it through this comb, so the rays which reaches the light and it get reflected like this. So light traveling in a straight line. So the light is traveling here, and what happens? It gets reflected by the mirror. Look at here, you are able to get such type of image. Okay. Shall we go to the next one, children? Okay. So, up to here, we have completed our lesson. Up to here, we have completed our lesson. And now we are going to go with the recap of the whole lesson. Now we are going to see the recap of whole lesson. Are you ready? Yes. First, what is it? Light. What is mean by light? So I said you already, light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. So light or visible light, it is referred to as what? Electromagnetic radiation, that is EM rays. What do you mean by electromagnetic radiation? It contains both electric field and magnetic field in it. Electromagnetic waves contain electric field and magnetic field. So we have seen the 7 types of EM rays. Yes or no? We have seen the 7 different types of EM waves. Radio waves, UV, visible, and then gamma, X-ray. Yes, we have seen all these microwaves. Yes or no? So which is the natural source of light? Sun. Sun is the natural source of light, and we have artificial source of light also. And in continuation with this, we have seen luminous objects and non-luminous objects. So the objects which emit their own light is called as luminous objects, and the objects which do not emit their own light are called as non-luminous object. We have seen all this. Yes or no, children? So luminous example, torch, sun. Non-luminous, pencil, moon. These are all some of the example of non-luminous objects. And then we had seen properties of light. The different properties of light. Yes or no? First, what is it? Reflection of light, refraction of light, diffraction. These are not there in your book. If you have missed it, again take a note of it. Okay, what is it? Reflection, refraction, diffraction, interference of light, polarization of light, dispersion of light, and then last one is scattering of light. Whether anyone ready to explain what is this all? Whether you are ready to explain what is this? Louder. Yes, first tell me what is mean by reflection of light, children? What is mean by reflection? With an example. You have seen now only, yes? Try to recall it. Yes, what is it? Reflection of light. So, what the example I said you? Bouncing of ball from a wall. Bouncing a ball from a wall.